be doing onion rings two ways. Basically, the batter ingredients are the same. The difference is the wet part of it. I'm going to do one with my egg and milk mixture and one with club soda. All right, so we're going to let those get golden. These are close. A little long. Probably going to go ahead and get this baby out because it's nice and crispy. So that is what it looks like, this batter. One dip. It stays on beautifully. I'll test it out for you in a bit. It's got a combination of all-purpose flour, cornstarch, and an array of seasonings, and then I used one egg and some 1% milk to make it wet. Now this is the same exact base, but we're going to use, you could use a beer substance, a beer, or you could use club soda. So I'm going to try it and see if it's all they say it is. So I don't know. We'll try it and I'll tell you. Maybe I'll change my mind. We're about to see if I'm going to change my mind. Looks the same so far. Other than the batter got a little fizzy at first. A little exciting. Get a couple in and see what we think. All right, let's get these out to the right amount of crispy. They look the same as far as what they look like. The egg and milk batter versus the club soda. But is it crispier? I don't know. He's going to come do a taste test. So the front here, closest to me, these are the club soda. And those are the egg and milk. We don't want to know.
They look different.
They do?
Already, yeah.
How?
These are darker and...
Let me try this one.
With a little
Oh! Whoa. Ooh, hear that? Very crunchy. Okay. I know now. I know now. Now this one, that crunch doesn't compare.
Oh yeah, no, definitely better.
Oh yeah, that one's definitely better. You can hear the crunch difference? The flavors, those are the ones with the club soda.
Oh.
So Shannon learned something today, guys. But that is a huge difference in the crisp ability. Watch. We'll do it again. Oh, you hear it. Sounds so loud in my ears. And then this one, that one's good. It's slightly softer. Shannon's sold on club soda and or beer now. Now, if you don't have club soda or beer in your refrigerator, that's okay. Use one egg and milk. They're still good. But for crispiness, there's no question now. Your question in my mind. That's so much crispier. Club soda just made it super crispy over the milk and the eggs. Shannon just learned that it's way crispier with club soda or beer because of the carbonation. So I gotta try things to learn things sometimes. My mom always said when I was playing with my food, I must be done. So that means Shannon must be done